Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tin Man on bass. First, let's establish the song's core. It's primarily in the key of E minor, with a 4/4 time signature. The main bass line is a driving eighth note pattern, often centered around the root and fifth. You can achieve a great sound using a pick for a sharp attack, or opt for fingerstyle for a more rounded tone. Consistency is key to grooving with the drums. Now, let's dive into the main riff. This iconic line frequently utilizes notes from the E minor scale, specifically E, G, A, and B. A good starting point is to practice your E minor pentatonic scale, which will help you feel comfortable across the fretboard. Remember to give the low E string plenty of emphasis. It provides the powerful foundation for the entire song. Listen closely for the subtle rhythmic shifts that give the riff its unique character. Moving on to the bridge, you'll find some interesting melodic and rhythmic variations. This section often calls for a slight dynamic shift, perhaps playing a bit softer to build tension before returning to the main groove. Consider incorporating palm muting to achieve a tighter, more percussive sound, especially on the eighth notes. Always pay close attention to how your bass line interacts with the guitar and drums, creating a cohesive sound. Finally, let's talk about achieving that signature Tin Man bass tone. A good starting point is a bass with a strong mid-range and a clear, defined low end. On your amplifier, try boosting the mid-frequencies slightly and perhaps cutting a little bit of the high end to get that warm, punchy sound. Consistent practice with a metronome is crucial for developing impeccable timing. Focus on clean articulation and letting each note ring out with good sustain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.